Oh God, welcome back to the channel, broskies and sisters, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to our reaction channel. I hope you are doing good. And if you're just seeing this channel for the first time, let me officially welcome you to the channel. Over here, we react to funny clips compiled from TikTok. So basically, we just laugh and have a good time. Here we are currently we are on our way to 500 subscribers. We're currently at 451, so make sure to subscribe and join the family, join the gang. Let's get litty over here, you feel me? And without wasting any of our time, let's get straight into the video. Oh, by the way, we upload videos here every day, 5 p.m. in the evening, Nigerian time, Nigerian German time. Yeah, 5 p.m. every day. Videos are uploaded on to the channel. So if you want to check out the videos, make sure you be here 5 p.m. Check out the videos, and I hope you can get a good laugh from the videos, and I hope you guys are enjoying the videos as much as I am. So with that, after having said that, let's get straight into the video, guys.
Do you like traveling?
Yes.
You like traveling?
Yes.
Oh, okay, that's okay. So, traveling by air or by flight, which one do you like?
Flight.
Flight. Because
Because the travel they go far away. They take car. Car cannot reach that place. They take fly. They reach that place fast.
I understand what he's saying. English is not
I
his
like the
first language,
flight
so it's
as
okay.
compared to the air.
Yes.
Wahala dey o. Wahala dey.
See, nah, hold on. One thing I don't really like about us Africans, especially Nigerians, when someone don't speak a good English, we tend to classify them as illiterate or not intelligent enough. Nah, you don't measure someone's intelligence by how well they speak a foreign language. English is not even our language, bro. It was a language that was forced on us, you know. But we're not gonna get into all that. So I won't make fun of the guy, and I will never make fun of anybody who doesn't speak a good English or a good French or whatever. So yeah, that's just I'm just gonna put that one out there. I hate when people do that. Yeah. Ghanaians though.
What are you doing here? Don't you know my dad is in the house? Please go.
Ghanaians.
Me, I'm here. I want to knock. So follow me, make we go knock.
What?
I won't go anywhere.
You know, follow me to knock.
I won't go.
No problem.
Is it by
Give me my
force?
iPhone 14 I bought for you.
That's not possible. Oh.
Give me my iPhone 14.
Didn't you knock me before giving me the phone?
So for your mind, now one knock that they take get iPhone 14 Pro Max.
Exactly.
You know how much is worth. See,
Oh,
you have
yeah.
to sleep with me for 1 year before you can be the rightful owner of that iPhone 14
Yeah.
Pro Max.
365 days a year.
I take my phone back. You understand? You go follow me, make we go knock, or you not go follow me.
I'll follow you.
iPhone 14. That's
Enter.
crazy.
In the car.
See, I will take my iPhone. Oh.
Okay, I'll do it.
You gotta have leverage. You have to have leverage.
You get it?
Okay.
Yeah,
If you don't get it, forget about it.
Hey, you have to have leverage, man. I remember when BlackBerry was in trend or more. Anyone that didn't have BlackBerry, you was not in the like you was not in the class if you don't have a BlackBerry. And me, I had to do I didn't do anything. I had to hustle, you know, and I got my own BlackBerry, and I felt like I belonged. But at the end of the day, you know, it's all material things. It didn't bring me joy and happiness. You know, I just felt like, okay, now I have a BlackBerry phone. I belonged in the class. But now BlackBerry is dead, and it was iPhone. iPhone 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and now it's iPhone 15. What people would do for material things is it's outrageous, bruh. It's mad. It's crazy. We are fucked up as humans. Bro, that's not even funny. That's creepy. That's creepy as fuck. That's not even funny, bro. Mhm. I can't even see it, bro. It looks like cement.